What's up, man? Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Andre. I'm happy to be here with you and share my experience.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna film this, I guess like this. Maybe I'll film it like this. No, I guess I'll film it like that. I'll change it every now and then. You said, John, you are an Airbnb, you're a business owner, real estate investor, and you've actually used to have a moving company, right?
That's correct. I was in the moving business for a couple of decades, and it was the best thing I could ever do to get away from that business. So, yeah, I own property now. I do Airbnb and corporate rentals, and I just started with Pinnacle recently, and I've learned some things in business over the years that have helped me tremendously get me to this point. But recently, it's really come to light just how important personal credit is. I've always had decent credit, but ran through a rough spot, and it really changes your life when you struggle in the personal credit area, and that's how I ended up at Pinnacle.